All right, what up, y'all? Oh, that was so lame. Yeah, this is camper van. Well, camper van number 2. We had an RV last time, so I mean, technically camper van number 3, but whatever. First night in San Andreas. Let me give you guys the tour. So, this is my bed. This is where I kick back and sleep. And that's the back window right there. Turn this guy around. Is this how you do that? No, I don't know how you do that. Okay, let's do it this way. So we got all the essentials right here. Got a nice little heater fan because it is like 30 something degrees outside right now. Got a microwave, got a fridge, got lots of storage right here. And then obviously that's what makes the van go. It's brand new. It's like a brand new Volkswagen camper van. Really freaking nice. A lot nicer than the other ones I had. But boy, it is cold outside. Oof. And yeah, we're on a cliff above St. Andrews. I'll show you guys more of what like the actual view looks like tomorrow. But yeah, it's just my first night, so we're just trying to survive right now, basically. Anyway, that's it. See you guys later.